Reproducing classic wood in an innovative way, it is a very difficult task. In this case with Fedora Cherry, we have created a cherry with an extremely modern touch. With such a lively and authentic decor and its fine pores, Fedora Cherry have a particular and very personal character. This is important in this decor because it works very well in light, gray and medium tone, and its metallic structure also creates an extraordinary effect. It is in these shades that this decor expresses its full potential. We believe that this is a structure that will revive the furniture industry and also create an atmosphere that will make you feel at home.
As a designer, I always try to find the balance between nature and technology. And we try to retain beautiful wood species and also the texture of the wood. At the same time, we try to, of course, make everything technologically correct. So what our company is trying to design is Spanish wood, which is called lace wood. To preserve very natural wood texture, we used principles of bionics, and that was a very challenging task. New texture that we have developed due to bionic principles has given new expressive power to our material. Together with top Italian steel manufacturer SESA, we have jointly developed Rerge steel plate. I believe that this technology will develop and promote non-technology wood, and that will make an extraordinary new performance in space design. When it comes to colors, we have decided to develop this time all the natural colors of the wood, because natural colors actually miraculously affect our mood and can definitely transform our atmosphere in the design.
Hey, I'm Martin Marksen, and today I would like to present you one of the new designs of one of our. Here we have a new linear oak finish in a very playful way, from a natural oak developed with some playful half cathedrals. The emboss and register technology does not give only a nice uptick and touch and feel, also it gives a nice look to the whole design, especially when it is developed in multi-gloss technologies, where these multi-gloss surfaces and gloss levels give a very natural look. Even from distance you will see a very nice design development.
Today I'd like to introduce to you Hudson Walnut. The material we used is elegant but also full of character. Distinct wood grain, half-cutted cathedrals and soft linear color transitions leads to an exciting interplay. A design that brings natural friendliness into your home.